Hey guys, we're at King Mountain. What is it called?
Kings Mountain.
Kings Mountain State Park.
Field fishing
on the borders of South Carolina and North Carolina. And we are at a living history site. So we're gonna check this out and see what this is all about. I guess this was because it's that's a forge. That's a forge. Yeah. That's a forge right there. It's a kitchen. It's an old stone kitchen. And here's a spit where they would burn pots, whatnot. That's really cool. For all you youngins who don't know what the moon house is, that's where you make some poopy. There's holes in there to go straight in the ground. Hey, we missed this whole building over here.
You think there's any leftover historical things?
We got this building, we're not sure what it is. Home sweet home place. Looming mystery. Ooh, it's the artisan building. Well, let's see in there. How much you can see. You can see the hammers in there and whatnot. I don't know if there's a forge. Let's see if we can walk around. So, yeah, it looks like there's some kind of fiery forge. Or something. Regardless, it's still super badass. Full dump. This is a good colonial thing. This is, I want to say from what I was reading, a lot of this was during the Revolutionary War. What's that, friendly fire pit? Wow. Valuable resources. This is not actually too bad, you guys. And that looks like it was a little homestead of a farm. Super cool. So we just talked to some of the people here that take care of the farm, because if you can see back behind me anywhere, but there's horses and donkeys here. It's meant to show what what kind of animal they had back on the old homestead. The living history. Absolutely awesome. If you're in this area, I highly recommend coming to Kings Mountain.
Tag the open road on Instagram there for a shout out.
Exactly. Also, the fishing is horrible here. I just want to throw that out there real quick. I almost broke my ankle.
We tried fishing.
Absolutely nothing.
But
so that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this little video of Kings Mountain. Until next time, guys, hit that like button, comment, subscribe below. Later.